Okay, I'm reloading. Big Dappuccino here. This is Show and Tell number 96. Man, coming into this video, I was kind of like well, I shouldn't say conflicted, and I try to not to use too many big words. But yeah, part of me wanted to hit all these spots and everything, but got a lot of stuff going on. Plus, it's the first of the month's coming fast. It's Christmas time. I'm not really feeling Christmas time right now. Luckily, most of my nieces and nephews are older now, so I don't know. Their expectations is different, so it's kind of easy. It's kind of harder. So I'll be mainly giving out gift cards and stuff, but I hate being on the pegs during the holiday time a little bit because I hate long lines. I hate crowds. I like peg hunting when nobody is around, to be honest, during the week. But it is what it is. I went out Thursday, went to a shopping center. I kind of held back because I didn't go to Walmart and I didn't go to Target. Well, I couldn't go to Target last Monday because of the weather. It was very bad weather. It was snowing, it was sleet. But I was able to go out, like I said, Thursday, the day before yesterday. And I had a pretty good haul. I couldn't go out yesterday because I had some work related business to take care of. So let's get into it, man. I think I had a pretty good haul. I wasn't expecting a haul like this, but knew I would get something because I was going to Hobby Lobby. But first up, let's start with Five Below. I don't know if a lot of y'all have heard of Five Below. I'm in the southeastern part of the United States. I'm in Virginia, so actually northern Virginia to be more precise. Virginia is a very big state, so I have to be kind of specific. But went to a store called Five Below. It's kind of hard. It's kind of like Big Lots, only smaller. They don't do furniture and stuff, but they do clothing. It's like a kind of like a department store, kind of, but kind of like a I don't know. Shouldn't say like a Spencer's, but kind of like yeah. And they do a lot of candy and snacks but they do clothing, kids stuff, novelty stuff. They do a lot of novelty stuff. But anyway, they had some Matchbox there, a whole lot of Matchbox that I haven't seen on the pegs at Walmart or Target. Uh, First one they had was this Walmart was this MBX Garbage Scout, and it's from the MBX City series. I was gonna leave on the pegs. Yeah, so I think it got the can and everything. Kind of interesting. Main line. So I'm just gonna throw it in the bag. Mainly main lines. Next we got this 1976 Volkswagen Golf Mark One. It has headlights and grill detail, but it doesn't have tail lights. It's supposed to be a police car, but it doesn't have sirens. So go figure. And this is from NBX. They don't say what series it is. They just have metal up there, so I guess it's got a metal base, I guess, or a metal body. Look like it got a plastic base to me. Maybe it has a die-cast body. And I guess it's the Volkswagen series. Next, we got this 1968 Dodge D 200, and this is from the Matchbox Dodge series. It's starting to get like Hot Wheels where they have manufacturer series. They are a Mattel owned company. It's okay. It's a recolor. And got the Dodge Charger 2010. Well, sorry, 2018 Dodge Charger. And this is also from that same Dodge series. I got one of these. I got one in blue, and I think I gave away one, to be honest. And this is in gray. I got headlights and tail lights. Well, that's pretty cool. Next, we got this 1967 Plymouth Savoy. And this not even saying where it's from. So I guess this is from, the Plymouth series. Dang. Had a Plymouth, separate Plymouth series. They could have just said Chrysler. And surprisingly, this has tail lights, but it doesn't have headlights. It's the grill is part of the base with the headlights. So it's pretty cool though. I like these old Plymouths like this. This is 1967 Plymouth Savoy. Wonder how. So I got a Fury here. So it's basically the same car. And this is I think this is this Racing Champs or Auto World? I forgot. No, it's a Greenlight. That's my Plymouth Fury. Yeah, I knocked something down. Sorry about that. Next, we got this Mercedes-Benz S1 123, S123. I don't know how to say that. Such a strange station wagon from the Mercedes-Benz series, which I haven't seen them, because they usually have at least an S500 or CL600 or something like that series, but I ain't seen none of that. Guess they used other Benzes, probably like G-Wagon or something. It's got tail lights and it's got headlights and a sunroof. Cool little wagon. Next, we got this 56 Jaguar XK 140 Roadster. And this is from the Jaguar series from Matchbox. Good gracious, they got series manufacturer all of them. I should check the back. But so far, I think all of them been 2020. Like I said, I'm in the Target like a lot, especially since we've been out over the past 4 or 5 months, and I haven't even seen that many up-to-date Matchbox main lines. Just that one series I did, that metal series. And it has headlights, it has tail lights. Got a car that Hot Wheels is doing, and Matchbox is doing it too. 71 Porsche 914, and this is from the Porsche series. Yeah, metallic wheels. Yeah, it's moving around in the base because it is a small car. I don't know how close to the scale they got, but this is a real small car. I've seen one in real life. And it looks like it's executed well. It doesn't have tail lights. All they needed to do was put tail lights on it. It has side indicators though. It's nice color combination. Next, we have this 2018 Bugatti Divo, which I've been hearing a lot about from Matchbox. And this is from the Bugatti series. And I'm like, how you gonna do a Bugatti series? Unless you want to do some of the older Bugattis, probably from before the 50s and stuff like that. They were an old company. I don't know if they went out of business or somebody bought them. I think they had some like a look-alike Lamborghini car in like the 80s or something like that was popular before they came back. I think now, I forgot who they're owned by. Are they owned by Volkswagen? I think they're owned by the Audi. What is it? Volkswagen. The company, same company owns Volkswagen. They own Volkswagen, Audi, and they own something else. I forgot what else. But this is 2018 Bugatti Divo. I don't know how the headlights is. We got a Divo here. I don't know if I want to find it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Last but not least, we got this 2003 Nissan 350Z. And this is from a Matchbox Nissan series, which I didn't see no skylines or nothing. Maybe they'll do something later. I don't know. Or maybe it's out there. I just haven't seen it. And it's got tail lights, but it don't have headlights. I like that body shape, though. I could have did more with this. It's a nice color combo, though. So that's Five Below. Five Below is done. Next, we're going to go to Gamestop, which kind of shocked me because, especially this location, they never have any diecasts. If they do, they're old. But and pretty much in all of them, because I had like 3 locations I was going to. I think one closed over the course of this year while we were out in the first part of COVID, I think before the fall. One closed its doors for good at one shopping center. So I only had 2 locations near me. Yeah, 2. Well, one is kind of far. In fact, it's another city. It's in Arlington. But that's connected to a mall, and I hate going there. But anyway, let's see what the GameStop exclusives. The cashier was very friendly, man. I told him what I was looking for. He's like, wait a minute, man. Because I renewed my subscription to GameStop. So he pretty much he went in the back and went through a box. Let me look through the box, to be honest. And I picked out what I wanted, left the fantasy castings and the cars I didn't like. And this is what I got. I got the Land Rover Defender 90. And this is from the Hot Wheels Baja Blazer series. I think all of these are the exclusives for GameStop. So you might have seen these on a lot of people's channels. So everybody was trying to get them. They used to be the Kmart exclusives. So Kmart and the Toys R Us exclusives, but Whatchacom is taking up the slack. Walmart and Target also have exclusives. Target is usually called the red editions, and Walmart, they're supposed to be the ones who get Zamax, even though Zamax can go anywhere from what I told. This is I never had Zamax in my Walmart location. Hot Wheels, Big Air Bel Air. This from the Wild Squad series. And we got the 70 Dodge Power Wagon. This is from the Baja Blazer series. Main line. It's got them dirt wheels that I hate. But the deco on this is point on. It looks good. So another one with them wheels I don't like. Toyota off-road truck. Which ironically, this is in Forza, so it's like they always Hot Wheels and Forza Microsoft game, Forza Horizon, Forza Motorsport always do the same thing. This is from the Baja Blazers and the Toyota off-road truck. Got the recolor of this Batmobile, which is one of the ugliest Batmobiles they ever did. Batman series. They could have done any one. They could have did the animated series or even the classic, which they done to death. They made that a treasure hunt. I never found it. Triumph TR6 Hot Wheel Race Day. I thought this was a treasure hunt at first, even a regular, but it just got that paint. Sometimes the paint throws you off. Cause you be thinking it's Spectra Flame, but oh well. And it's okay. No headlights, no taillights. I could see this in the future being a premium or a car culture. Got the 2018 Ford GT Race casting that I don't like that much, but it was there, and this is from the HW Speed Graphics series. Next, we got a Porsche 914 Safari, which we just seen the Matchbox version. Now it's the Hot Wheels version. And this is Nightburner series. Now we get into the nitty gritty. I was glad I scooped this on easy. The Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo and HW Turbo series, which I wish it was the treasure hunt. The reason why I can tell it was on Super Treasure Hunt, the wheels are different. It has the same wheels they've been using for car culture that are deep dish. So I automatically knew that it was the regular. But it's still good to have Nissan's 300ZX, especially this casting. I had a red and I had a white. And I had that ugly police version they did. So it's a good addition to collection. We got the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo from the HW Turbo series. They took away the tail lights. All you had to do was the tail lights on. And this, because it's the Migas, what's his name? Margot Walker or Migas Walker? The Urban Outlaw, Magnus Walker, Urban Outlaw, which they're doing his franchise to death. They're getting whatever deal they sign with him, they're getting use of it. They slide his name on everything. 96 Porsche Carrera HW Dream Garage series. Good casting, but now they're not doing tail lights. It was time, anytime Porsche was done, it will have tail lights at least. But oh well. Full recover. And we got the 17 Lamborghini Urus in blue. This car is beat up. In fact, very fresh. And last but not least, we got the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 Night Burner Series. So I leave something up here. That's for sure leave that. Yeah. I'll leave that up here. Next, in that same shopping center, I went to Hobby Lobby, and even though when I posted the video, everybody was like, "Yeah, this is nice." It wasn't as stocked as it usually is, and it was a lot of old stuff there. I don't know, for some reason, my area, the model section keeps getting bigger and bigger. And they didn't even have as many slot races as they used to have. So slot racing tracks must be becoming popular again. The 1977 Pontiac Le Mans Safari. And this is from Greenlight Estate Wagons Series 4. And it's a 2019, unfortunately. This series, they had the 210, 1955 Chevy 210 Talisman, 1969 Volkswagen Type 3, 1971 Vista Cruiser. I already have one of those. The Pontiac Grand Le Mans Safari, which is in my hand. Then they have a 77, I guess. They're the same one. Then they had a Mercury Grand Marquis Colony Park, 1980. Which is the same thing as a Ford LTD with Opel. I already busted the bliss on this. The back opens, I forgot what you call it. That's that new feature they have. Next, I was excited about this 1964 Dodge 330 till I busted it open and I seen something on the other side. I'll save that for when we do the odds and ends and talk about it. And Johnny Lightning, I don't know what's going on. Sometimes they have, Auto World too, they have quality issues. A lot of people say it happened to Greenlight too. I very seldom see Greenlight with quality issues. But Johnny Lightning, all these round two companies, I noticed that a lot. And I don't know if it's because they're cranking out stuff more. But I'm noticing a lot of issues, especially with the wheels. And I don't want to say the paint, but especially with the wheels and the rotors. And this is a limited edition 1 of 2,000. Most people would have left this on the peg, but I like obscure stuff like this. Like I just showed that Plymouth Fury from Greenlight. I like oddball, especially old school cars like this. Everything doesn't have to be a Camaro or Corvette or a Mustang or a Charger or something everybody has. And the fact it's a limited edition is excellent. Next, last but not least, is what really got me excited when I was there. It's the first thing I picked up in Hobby Lobby off the pegs. And I busted a blister on this. And this is a 1971 Copo Yanko Chevy Vega Stinger. And it's part of Johnny Lightning series like the other one is. No, it's not. That's a different series. I should have showed the other side. I'll go back and show that one. but it's part of Johnny Lightning series called Copo Muscle, which I should have went back and got the yellow Camaro now in hindsight. And this is from, I don't know, can we see a, this is 2020 release too. I should have got that Camaro. I probably would have got that Nova if it was there. So they got some brand new series. Chevy Camaro Z01. They got a 68 Nova, 70 Yanko Deuce Nova, 71 Yanko Chevy Vega Stinger, which is in my hand, 70 and a half Cobo Chevy Camaro, that's 68 Chevy Camaro. They could have spread it around. They did a Copo Chevelle too. So why didn't they do that? I don't know. It's cool because it's the Vega and it's very rare to find these. And it's a limited edition one of 2,500. I'll show the back of the Johnny Lightning, which is a gold series collectible. And this is a 2020 release too. In this series, they got a 63 Studebaker, which I might try to find that. Probably have to order it. 70 O's 442, I already got one of those. 65 Chevy Corvette hardtop, 1987 Chevy Monte Carlo, already got something like that. The 64 Dodge 330, which is in my hand, and a 1950 Chevy 3100 pickup. It sounds interesting. I never find white lightnings, man. That don't look like no white light. But it looks interesting because never seen a Jeep Wrangler. I mean a Jeep Cherokee on the pegs. And this is the other release they got. The Plymouth Duster 340, the Ford Mustang GT, AMC, AMX Chevy Impala SS, Pontiac Firebird, Olds Cutlass. I got a Duster. That's pretty much it, man. Want to thank the subscribers for the support. Channel been going crazy. I want to thank the random viewers for tuning in. Like I always say, not the best diecast channel, but not the worst either. I'll show a little love to the diecast. Encourage you to subscribe so you can have access to all the content. Until next time, this is Big Dappuccino signing off. This is Show and Tell, 96.